You're watching Theme Parks Movies now. This is a very quick video. We have just seen Ready Player One here at Theme Park Resort in the Boulevard area, of course, which is brand new. I will add, this did replace Angry Birds 4D, so if you guys do remember that. You remember it was quite jolty aimed at the kids. It's now showing Ready Player One, which is obviously a film that's come out quite recently. But what do we think of it? I actually prefer it to Angry Birds 4D. It's a lot more sensory inside, but it's actually really good. If you've seen Ready Player One, you'll know what I mean. But what I can say, and there will be spoilers in this, is that if you've seen the film, you'll know about the King Kong chase scene. Basically, you have that scene, and they've done all that inside here, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Out of 5, I give it a 5 out of 5 from me, definitely. And also, it's worth doing. It's free, it's included in your entry at the park, and I would highly recommend it. Obviously, the cinema itself is located right opposite. There's no there. If you haven't done the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're already, and of course, go and watch Ready Player One here at Theme Park Resort. Keep riding, keep curious, you guys get the video.